friends, so this is going to be a squishy haul video, so yeah. So some of the squishies I bought a long time ago, and so I'm just going to show you the squishies that I bought a long time ago. So I bought this My Melody Pants and Work squishy, and I kept this in a box like right after I bought it, and I bought this 2 years ago pretty much, and I lost the box, so yeah. And I just found it a few days ago, so I'm really happy I found this. But yeah, there used to be an M here, but that peeled off, and there's cracks around the neck, but you see it's still really cute. And this was kind of expensive. It was like $18, $19, I guess. Then I bought these Cinnamon Roll 10th anniversary squishies. So I got the mocha one, and I bought this a few months ago, so it has a tear there, but yeah. And then I also bought the cinnamon roll one, and unfortunately when I first bought it I didn't realize that there were these marks here, so that's a manufacturer's flaw. But there's that one, and one around the tail, so there's actually a lot. I still can't believe I didn't realize that was there. But yeah, so there's the license on this one, and there's the license on this one. And these were pretty expensive. It's like $15.90, but yeah, I can't really find them anywhere online. And yeah. And then, so now time for the squishies that I bought yesterday. So I bought squishies today and yesterday too, so yeah. Okay, so the first squishy I bought yesterday was this one. And this one's a Widow squishies, I think. But this is not real glitter because it doesn't have the licensing and it's not in the real packaging. Well, I'm not sure if it's Brita or not, but it's still really cute and squishy. Then I bought this Rilakkuma squishy, and this one is Rilakkuma in the bunny costume. It's really cute, and there's beads around the cellophane strap. Then I bought the Bear School head squishy. I'm sorry for the glare, but yeah, it's so cute and so squishy. It's a bow, and here's the tag. Yeah, I don't know how this blue tag got there. But yeah, so that's the tag. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I got this. Oh yeah, and sorry for the plastic cracking noise. I really don't like that in videos either, but I didn't want to take it out of the packaging. So I got that, and then this one's the last one that I got yesterday, and I am so happy that I got this, because this is my first Cafe Diane squishy, and this one is the ice cream. So this one's the strawberry and mint one, and it's really squishy. So yeah. Okay, so now for the squishies I bought today, and I bought a lot today. So there was this pack where you can buy 5 for $14. So I bought this mini panda bun squishy. It's really squishy. This one has the pink bow. And then I bought this one with the tongue sticking out. These are really squishy. Then I bought the donut. It's a plain donut. So yeah, I'm probably going to use some of these for, I'm not sure, contest maybe? I'm still not sure. Maybe not, but yeah. So I got that one, and I bought this one too. So squishy. So those are the 5 squishies that I bought, and those are pretty tiny. Then I bought this Rilakkuma cupcake squishy. So yeah. Then I bought the Bear School donut squishy with the tag, and that's that. And it's the heart-shaped donut, and it's so cute. bought this Really Kuma squeeze toy, and I'm so excited to open this and, you know, squeeze it. And I never got a squeeze toy before, so this is probably my first squeeze toy. And then I bought the Cafe Dien squishy macaroon. And this one's really squishy, and I really want to open it, but I don't want to rip open the packaging, but, well, you know. So that's pretty much all the squishies I bought, and I'm just going to show you all of them in one pile, so. So that's all the squishies I bought in one pile. I'm so excited, I can't wait to open them and actually squish them. And sorry for the bad lighting, because it's kind of getting dark right now, so yeah. So that's pretty much it. I hope you liked this video, and so yeah. Rate, comment, subscribe. Bye!